All right. So this is to review our lesson from the other day that was about powers of 10. So first, we had to get some new vocabulary down. So when I have an expression like 4 raised to the third power, then in that expression, the 4 is called the base. And the little floating 3 is called the exponent. And the exponent tells us how many times we need to multiply the base by itself. So 4 to the third power means I need to multiply 4 by itself 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4. And so if I did that, 4 times 4 is 16. And then if I multiply 16 by 4, I get 64. So 4 to the third power is 64. And a common mistake that people will make is they'll say it's 12 because they're thinking 4 times 3, but that's different, right? 4 to the third power means 4 times itself 3 times. So powers of 10 are numbers where the base is 10. Scroll this up here. So if my base is 10, regardless of what exponent I choose, my answer is going to be a power of 10. So for example, if I choose the exponent 4, that means that I'm multiplying 10 by itself 4 times. And the thing that we noticed in class is that whatever that exponent is, that tells us how many zeros there are going to be in our final answer. So 10 to the 4th power is a 1 followed by 4 zeros, like that. So in the next step, we got a little bit fancier and we started multiplying other numbers by powers of 10. So something like 5 multiplied by 10 to the 7th power, let's say. So that means then that we are multiplying 5 by whatever 10 to the 7th power is. So that's 5 times 10, let's see, to the 7th power, so it's a 1 with 7 zeros. So 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. And then I can throw some commas in to see that that number is 10 million. And so then my final answer is still going to start with a 5, and it's going to be followed by those 7 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and some commas. So 50 million. So as we are doing this, one thing that can be helpful to notice, if we do, let's say, 27 multiplied by 10 raised to the 5th power. So in that case, another way to think about this is I'm multiplying 27 times 10 5 times, right? 27 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so every time I multiply by 10, it attaches yet another 0 on the back of that 27. So since I multiplied by 10 5 times, according to my exponent, my 27 should get 5 zeros attached on the back. And that ends up with an answer of 2,700,000. All right, try one more. I want you to think about it before I give you the answer. Let's say that it's something like 17 times 10 to the 9th power. Consider pausing the video. All right, I'm going to go on though. So 17 with my exponent tells me 9 zeros need to be attached on the end. And so I put in some commas, and my answer is 17 billion.